Jersey. Northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey. East Central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania. South Central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Southeastern Pennsylvania until 3:45 p.m. At 2:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Riverside, 8 miles east of Philadelphia. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Damaged roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Cherry Hill, Ben Salem, Mount Laurel, Willingboro, Burlington, Bristol, Riverside. Rockland, Abington, Bremerton, Newfoundland, Randallwood, Feasterville Hills, Barclay, Kingston, and Cherry Lamar. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between 4 and 5. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 348 and 355. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 26 and 40. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm watch. Following counties in Pennsylvania, and Philadelphia, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Camden.